crucial moment in human history. A something greater, something grander, something bigger can emerge if there's largeness of heart and breadth of vision and foresight. Because Europe prospering by itself is no solution to world problems. You may be all right for a few years. Whereas if our economies languish, what's going to happen to us? Where do we fit in? We certainly aren't going to be your friends.
Are women getting more and more freedom in Pakistan?
Yes, they are.
And purdah is on the wane?
Yes.
And you like that?
Yes.
Do some of the Islam authorities object to this trend towards the greater emancipation of women?
No. It's just the parents that object to it.